They ain't never met the pretty girl from Joburg, and that's what they prefer. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not really sure that's how she said it. I forgot the lyrics already. I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just playing. What's up, everybody? This is your girl, Kiki, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So, I really don't have, like, a kind of topic as far as what I'm doing in this video. I'm just kind of showing y'all some stuff. So, number one, I have finished my crochet top. So if y'all see me post my shorts on YouTube, y'all will see that I have finished it and everything like that. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks and all that kind of stuff. All right, so it took me about 2 weeks. It took me about 2 weeks to finish this because I was working and everything. You know, when you're working, you really don't have time to like get to your hobbies and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what the outfit looks like. Okay, I still want to make a skirt with it. The only thing is, and this is what I'm just now learning when it comes to crocheting, is that you got to make sure you get enough skeins, which is like, you know, a ball of yarn and stuff like that. Like, you want to make sure you have enough of that because you don't want to have to order any more colors, because say if they don't have the color available anymore, now you kind of stuck trying to find the same exact one or at least close to it, because otherwise it's not going to match or anything like that. Like, I made that mistake with the hat that I just made, and I had run out of yarn because I thought I had enough to make a hat. So now I'm going to have to order some more, and then I'm going to have a whole nother bowl of yarn that I don't know what else I'm going to do with. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So let me get the headband that came with this. All right, so first I want to show you how I don't broke the camera. So I'm gonna show you what this looked like. So let me sit back, give y'all the final review. So ta-da! Look how it looks. Now there's a few holes in it and everything. This was actually my very first top that I made, so obviously it's gonna look like a hot mess, but it actually came out pretty good. I like it. So you can see it's got some butterflies I sewed on there. I don't know if I want to put more butterflies on it or not, but I put some pearls on there, so you see the pearls are not going nowhere. I did have a few that fell out because, again, you have to kind of, because I had the little stamping machine that I had to stamp the pearls in and everything, but it came out cute, you guys. Look at it. It came out cute. All right, so then I want to show y'all the headband that I had made with it. So this is the headband that came with this. Ain't that cute? It is pretty cute. It's so cute. Now, I was gonna put pearls on this. I decided not to because I didn't want to make it too crowded with too many pearls. I don't know, I'm still kind of going back and forth, but this got 2 butterflies on the top as well, so you can see that. And then when I put it on, my hair is a little wet, so I got to be careful with how I put it on. But the headband on, let me put on a little good. So this is the headband with the tube top. Now the tube top could be a little bit more smaller at the top, because you see you have to kind of like keep pulling it up and everything like that. But yeah, look at it. Ain't that cute? So you got these 2 little butterflies on the top and everything, looking good. Yes, so I worked very hard on this, and this is, again, my very first crochet outfit. I want to eventually get better at crocheting because I want to make like dresses and jackets and all this kind of stuff, which I know is going to be bigger projects. But I just started off very simple, because with a tube top, all you got to do is just make a big old sheet, and then at the end you like sew the sheets together, so you kind of get this, you know, look and everything like that. So yeah, I mean, it came out so cute. Absolutely in love, and it's my favorite color. Like, if anybody knows me, lavender is my favorite color. Lavender, lilac, them type of light purples are 2 of my most favorite colors. Like y'all think I'm playing? Let me show you how much I love lavender. Lavender toothbrush, lavender, well, this is more like, I don't know if it's periwinkle or lavender, but it's kind of like purplish. It looks more blue on the camera, but purple blue, I like that. Little lavender sheets, and I got pillowcases that match with this because it's a duvet cover, so it got the little buttons on there, and I got some pillowcases that match exactly with this. So I'm lavendered out. I got lavender curtains, I got a flower wall that's like full of purple and lavender flowers. What else I got? I got lavender phone charger. Now this matches exactly with this outfit. Like, look at that. Lavender everywhere. Okay, and my phone is lavender as well. My phone itself is lavender. What else I got in here that's lavender? I don't know. I just got a lot of lavender stuff. Okay, I just got a lot of lavender stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Yeah, so that's my first project, and then I worked on a hat as well. Let me show y'all my hat. So this is my, I guess you can consider like a second project, but this is my hat right here. Now this is the one that I had run out of yarn for, so you can see it's like a little strip of color right there. What I'm actually going to do is order another skein of yarn to finish that part. So this is just kind of like my mark to show where I need to finish at. So this ain't going to be like this for long, and I don't know if I want to decorate it or not. I don't know what I want to decorate it with yet. I'm trying to figure that out. But yeah, so I want to decorate this eventually, and this is how the hat looks. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Ooh, messing up my edges, a little piece of fur got on there. But yeah, so it's just a regular beanie hat. Very simple beanie hat. So, and it's nice and comfortable. I scared that I made it too small, but once I put it on, it felt so comfortable and it came out so good. I actually learned this tutorial from one of the YouTube videos of the lady crocheting, and she taught how to make a bucket hat, but instead of me making a bucket hat, I just made a whole beanie. So I didn't even make the bucket part where it kind of like you know, kind of gives like the bucket part at the end. I just did just the beanie part, and it turned out really, really good. But I can't wait to finish this area right here. It just needs to be finished. So yeah, that's that. The perfect thing that goes with this outfit that I got on is my purses that I actually got from Gucci, because I decided, you know, I work so hard, and when you're working a lot, sometimes you don't really, you know, give yourself enough attention, you know, enough you know, splurging in here and there. And I know nowadays in this economy that we in, you know, we all broke. Okay, we all broke. We all trying to make it by. Okay, we ain't trying to off ourselves. So, you know, I wanted to really splurge on myself. So when I saw this new line that came out from Gucci, I had to get these purses, because I'm like, this is my favorite color. Y'all already know I love lavender, lilac, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the two purses that I actually got that will work very perfect with this outfit. So I'll show y'all right quick. Okay, so these are the two purses that I got. So this is the first one right here. So I got two of them. So this is the, and I think it's called the Andrea line, I believe. Let me see. It came with a tag. Hold on, y'all. I'm at the. So this is the crossbody bag right here. So this is what it looks like. You see the color? You see the color? It's my favorite color. So I really like this because it's like a neutral type of lilac-y, lavender type of color. So it's very, very neutral. So I could pretty much wear this with a lot of different colors. I could wear this with black, with white. I could even throw some beige in there. You know, there's a few select colors that you can make this go with. But bro, look at this. Look how it goes with this outfit. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And I never ever splurge on myself. So this is one of the most beautiful bags I ever have. I'm currently using this one, and it's a decent size too. It's got the strap and everything. I love the silver accents. Anything with lavender, I gotta have a silver accent with this. So I love the zipper and everything that goes with it. Got the little cute little tag on the side and everything. So it's a very beautiful purse. Absolutely love it. And it's nice and thin too. Like, I'm not a person that carry a lot of stuff in my purse like that, so this fits good amount of stuff. Like, it fits my phone, my charger, my wallet, my AirPods, anything I need to put in there, it fits it all, because I'm not a heavy duty carrying person. And am I the only one that, if you have like a bigger purse, you feel like you have to put more stuff in it? Like, you be putting unnecessary things in your purse. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one that does that. That's why I need smaller purses, because I don't need all that extra stuff, you know. Like, as long as I got my keys, my wallet, my phone, my AirPods, my, what else? What else I put in there? Like, phone charger, whatever else that I need that's really, really important. Like lip gloss, you know, because your girl, I stay glossed up, you know. But, you know, just anything that I really need, I put in this purse, and it fits it all. So I absolutely love it. The only thing I don't really care for is the interior. I wish it was like gray or something like that. It's more like a really, really dark brown, which is no big deal. Nobody really gonna see inside of it anyways. But I just wish it was a, you know, a different color. But absolutely gorgeous. Love the strap and everything. Just beautiful. And then the next purse that I got, which I have not even unwrapped yet, so you see it still got the wrappings and stuff like that, but this is the Andrea carry-all. I think that's what it's called, carry-all, yes. So this is a carry-all purse right here, and it looks pretty big, but it's actually not that big. It looks pretty big when I get close up and everything like that, but compared to me, it's actually not that big. But this is also a crossover, so this comes with the strap as well, so you can see the strap is still wrapped up. I'm only keeping it wrapped up for now because I don't want to, you know, touch it until I really, really use it. But you know, this is a decent sized purse, like, and it's pretty indestructible. It's got some nice thickness to it. And again, the accents, you know, I love the bottom feet right here, so those are silver. It's also got some tags attached to here and everything. And then you can see it's got the little stuffing in there. And I haven't seen the inside of it yet. Let me take all this extra stuff out. So the inside is like a light gray color. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like a, I mean, not light gray. Light brown color. So again, I wish it was a different color to it. I wish it was like more silver-ish, you know, like a velvet gray or something like that. But it's still cute. It's still cute regardless. I love it. I mean, shoot, this is the most money I ever gonna spend. For both of those purses, I spent almost close to maybe like $250, $270-ish or something like that. And these are from the Coach outlet. So, you know, I didn't get it from the actual like Coach place where it's like, you know, like the purses be like almost like $500, $800, almost $1,000. I got it from the Coach outlet. So still Coach, still legit, but just way more affordable pretty much. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. Ain't really much else to it. I do want to show y'all some more projects that I'm going to be working on later on in the future. As far as crocheting, and I know some of y'all who probably follow me before probably gonna be like, girl, are you still doing nails? Are you still doing them? I'm still doing nails. It's just that right now I'm into other things, and you know, when you get into other things, you kind of just want to, you know, go away from the, you know, whatever you've been doing for a long time type of deal. Like I like to try new things, you know. I like to do new things. So crocheting has been my hobby lately, you know, and I can't wait to make more outfits with this as I get really good at it, because I've been crocheting for only like maybe like a few weeks, and I'm still learning the stitches and learning the patterns and stuff like that. So when I get really good at that, then your girl gonna be lit. Okay, I'm gonna be doing nails and I'm gonna be crocheting. But right now I'm just trying to get into some new things. But yeah, so those are my purses. Again, your girl just have to splurge on herself because, you know, I work too hard. I work too hard, and I feel like sometimes you just need to, you know, give yourself a little extra something sometimes for all the hard work you do, because, you know, I mean, shoot, like, it ain't gonna change the fact that the economy the way it is, but hey, at least I could splurge a little bit. But Coach outlet, you know, I highly recommend checking them. They got some new stuff too, like they got some fruit looking type of purses. Those are pretty cute. I don't think I will buy them yet. I feel like it's not worth, you know, wasting my money on. But those Coach purses, when I saw those, and they had them in lavender, and they got them in like pastel blue, pastel, what else? Pastel green, pink. Like they got some really cute spring light type of colors. But I have to get those because I don't know if they're gonna come back with those or not. But yeah, those colors are fire. And they got different type of designs too. Like now they got some new names, like I thought I saw Pam or something like that. They got different names, like, shoot, well, what other names they got? They got one, Morgan, Gallery, Rowan or something. Terry. Who the hell is Terry? Anyways, but yeah, they got different names for these Coach bags. But yeah, and if I said Gucci earlier, I was totally wrong. I didn't mean to say Gucci. I meant to say Coach. I meant to say Coach. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and check it out. I'll be coming out with more videos. So good seeing you again, and yeah, y'all have a good one. Peace. I just want to appreciate everyone for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be below my video. And also hit that notification bell for more updates on my content. Along with that, you can follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates on my other content that I post outside of here. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Goodbye.